Children, let's read the second part of play. Oh, noble king, I beg of you, how can you give me such a harsh sentence? I was merely following your orders to the letter. You commanded me to set aside all my work and get the queen's ornaments ready before Her Highness's birthday. So there has been a delay in making this lady's bridal ornaments. In the name of justice, Your Highness, pardon me. Spare my life. I was just following Your Highness's orders. Not another word. Your excuse does not hold good. Take the goldsmith away to the gallows and hang him at once. Have mercy, O generous king. I fall at the feet. Please forgive me. Just once, this time, let me live. I have none of this anymore. Take him away at once. Let him hang to death. What? Why have you not carried out my orders? Hang the goldsmith at this moment, or else you will suffer the same punishment. 1,000 apologies, O great king, but this noose does not fit the goldsmith's neck. It is too loose. Then try it around everyone's neck here and see who it fits. Whosoever has a neck of the size of the noose must be hanged. Ah, Your Highness, it fits at last. But, justice at last, take him to the gallows without further delay. Justice delayed is justice denied. Andher Nagri prides itself on prompt action. Our actions speak louder than words. What? Why have you all returned with this stranger alive? And who is this man? I beg your pardon, Your Highness, but we are confused indeed. This old man rushed toward us as we were about to hang the young stranger and begged and pleaded that he should be hanged instead. At first we thought the old man had lost his mental balance. What sane man would wish to suffer such a drastic death willingly? But this young man says that he is a wise and learned sage from the forest yonder, and he himself was this man's disciple. O noble king, you are most generous. Be kind and allow me to be hanged in place of my disciple. I beg of you. What a strange appeal! And why does such a wise and holy man wish to obstruct the course of justice? May I ask? Your Majesty, the truth is… No, I cannot say it. I demand an explanation, or I shall not have you hanged in place of your disciple. You see, it has been predicted by the great prophets. No, I shouldn't say this. Speak out at once, or your disciple will be hanged. The great prophets have foretold that the one who will be hanged on this day in this kingdom shall become the next king and conquer many more nations. I want to become the next great king, Your Majesty, and reign over greater country. I will go down in history as a famous royal monarch. The future generations will read about me and my greatness for millenniums to come. I shall never earn that fame if I remain a recluse, a sage. So do grant me this favor. O king, let me die at the gallows today. The next king, and this kingdom will expand. Glory for millenniums to come. Why? No one but I should be entitled to this privilege. Guards, take me to the gallows and hang me at once without any delay. Hurry up. Don't waste time. For a wonderful fate in my next life. A king once again. Goodbye, world. See you again.